nervous, on the surface I look fine. My brain feels heavy, my traumatized mind. And I'm so tired, I can't feel my eyes. Whoa, whoa. I'm petty, but I know how to lie. I feel feelings that I can't describe. I'm not breathing, but I'm still alive. Whoa, whoa. But I think I'll be alright, 'cause I'm not giving up, I'm not giving up yet. I feel that it's my time, so I'ma give it everything. I'ma give it everything I got. So I'ma give it everything, I'ma give it everything I got. I'ma give it everything, I'ma give it everything I got. I still have hope. So many days have passed. I wait around for things to change, but change has not come fast. I'm asking all the questions, but then I question them. Like, what's the point of living, existing when you can't see your God in flesh? I'm looking for the answers, they say to pray instead. I think I'll find them one day, but with a helping hand. I know that it's not easy, but I believe I will. Yeah, I'll get over all my fears and really conquer everything. I think I'll be alright, 'cause I'm not giving up, I'm not giving up yet. I feel that it's my time, so I'ma give it everything. I'ma give it everything I got. So I'ma give it everything. I'ma give it everything I got. I'ma give it everything. I'ma give it everything I got.
Bien, las funciones en cuanto a los botones es lo que quiero indicarles en este momento. Como verán, este es el típico botón de encendido y apagado. Tenemos el botón M de los modos, ya que este cuenta con puerto USB y puerto auxiliar. El modo simplemente nos permite cambiar de modo. Después tenemos el botón del play pause. En este caso este sería un poco especial, la típica función de play pause, pero si mantenemos presionado prolongadamente, esto nos enciende y nos apaga las luces RGB, y así también nos cambia el modo de las luces. Ya que este parlante cuenta con 3 modos, podemos cambiar. Ese es el primero, el segundo modo y el último modo. Bien, como les indiqué, tiene 3 modos y también puede apagar y encender. Y después, en cuanto al botón M, lo importante es que este parlante, al contar con la función TWS, simplemente lo mantenemos presionado hasta escuchar ese sonido, y también tenemos que presionar lo mismo en el otro parlante que queremos emparejar hasta que se empareje. En este caso no lo vamos a hacer porque no tenemos 2 parlantes.
I ain't feeling lonely, and I wanna admit it's time to end the ride. Fading it too slowly, were those gonna lift me up this time? You were the only one who got me tripping up inside. All the words you told me, am I reading something different from your eyes? See you, for a moment even though that I can feel you. I see you, all that I wanted was to tell you that I need you. I see you, for a moment even though that I can feel you. I see you, all that I wanted was to tell you that I need you. Now I'm finally right here with you. your side. You look at me, I'm soaring, seeing all the truth behind your eyes. See you, for a moment even all day I can feel you. I see you, all I wanted was to tell you that I need you. I see you, for a moment even all day I can feel you. I see you, all I wanted was to tell you that I need you. Now I'm finally right here with you. Now I'm finally right here with you. The voice is getting nearer. All these random thoughts are running wild. We got a good thing going. All we gotta feel is amplified. Sing to the morning. Countless hours spent by your side. You look at me, I'm soaring, seeing all the truth behind your eyes. All the wrongs and every reason why we've changed.